Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to change size of our floating TalkBack shortcut, and how to make some customized options change. So first, settings. Our button is here, it's enabled, so let's go to the accessibility and convenience, then accessibility, then vision tab, then TalkBack, and here is our shortcut option. So we can disable it by tapping the switch here, and we can open it for more options and more options and more options again. And here we have our option to enable floating button or navigational bar. And now here is the option to change our button to bigger or to smaller. And we can also enable fade option, and we can change transparency of our floating button. And that's all.